أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم فقهنا في الدين. آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn ayah number 18th to 21 of Surah Yasin inshallah. First I'll recite this. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم. قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون. وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين. اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into the tajweed rulings of these ayahs. Ayah number 18th. قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم. Okay. قالوا. One second. Yeah. قالوا. Qaf here is stretched for 2 haraka only and it must be heavy. It is not a qalu. It is qalu, and also it is not a ka or a kha. Okay, you have to make sure that you don't pronounce this qaf like kaf and kha. Qalu. Here wa madya is followed by hamza in the next word. That is why there is madal jaiz munfasil. You can stretch it either for 2 count or 4 count, like qalu inna or qalu inna. Okay, inna noon mushaddad 2 haraka gunna, and also you can see this alif madya, due to which you have to stretch this for 2 haraka. Inna. Okay, tatayyarna ta. This is best word from where you can differentiate between 2 letters ta and ta from the same makhraj, right? Ta and ta are the letters of same makhraj. They sound completely same. The difference is ta is a light letter, ta is a heavy letter. While pronouncing ta, little breath will come out. You will find that air is striking your palms. If you keep a finger or something near your lips, you'll feel like ta. The air will be striking on your fingers or your palm. But for ta it should not strike, because ta is pronounced without any inclusion of breath. It is not a letter of hums. Ta, 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 ta. And when ya mushaddad has fatha before it, you must be very careful not to convert this ya into ya leen. Especially when ya mushaddad has fatha before it, you end up making mistake like tatayyarna, tatayya. This is wrong. Tay, this is a sound of ya leen, right? It should be tatayya, tayya. Okay, do nabar, rise your accent there. تطيرنا. Ra must be heavy. قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم. Here if you want to stop due to waqf al jaiz, you will just stop with mim sakina. Sakin won't change to anything while doing waqf. It will be bikum itself, and also you should not do any gunna. Pronounce it with izhar. قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم. And be careful about this, what I mentioned just now. You should not make it very soft like تطير. I kind of sound should not be there here. تطير. Okay. تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا. لئن. But this noon is not recited now. Why? Because whenever you see this noon sakin or tanween followed by lam or letter ra, then you should not do any gunna, in the way that you should cancel this noon completely. Okay, you should just think there is no noon here, and you should directly connect this hamza to this lam. Okay, like la il, not la in, la il, la illam, la illam, not noon. Fine, I hope it is clear. It is idgham bila gunna. Don't pronounce noon here, it is getting completely merged in lam. La illam tantahu, and no gunna on meme here is al-shafawi. La illam tantahu, tanta, ikhfa, where you are hiding the sound of noon in nasal cavity without making it very clear. You should not say tanta, this is wrong. Tanta, tanta, okay. Tantahu, hu to haraka. لنرجمنكم. لا نرجو, nar, heaviness. It is not la narju, nar, it is wrong. Nar, heaviness. لنرجمنكم. نون مشدد to haraka gunna here. لنرجمنكم. No gunna on meme. No gunna on meme means you should not hold it sound in nasal cavity like لنرجمنكم. Don't hold it kum. Just do izhar. Pronounce it clearly. لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم. Okay. Fine. لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم. All the letters have just a diacritics, that is harakas carrying, which is stretched only for one haraka. وَلَيَمَسَّنَّكُمْ. But as soon as you pronounce the scene, there is tajdeed. You'll have to put a stress, little stress, like وَلَيَمَسَّنَّ. But the stress on noon is more than any other letter, noon and meme. Okay, you have to stress it for 2 haraka. That is, nasalization is done for 2 count. وَلَيَمَسَّنَّكُمْ. Now this meme here will merge with this meme. Okay, meme will merge with meme, and we will do idgham with 2 count gunna, idgham al-shafawi. وَلَيَمَسَّنَّكُمْ minna. This meme for 2 count gunna, and also this noon for 2 count gunna. Okay, وَلَيَمَسَّنَّكُمْ minna. And also you have to stretch this noon for 2 count. Minna azabun. It is not azab. It is not azab. It is azabun. Ain must be clear, and zal should not be converted to za with a buzzing sound. And ba, it is easy, right? Azabun. Azabun. Okay, and here tanween, which is on letter ba, is pronounced with izhar without holding its sound in nasal cavity. Okay, azabun alim. That's it. No azabun. This is wrong. Not holding, just pronouncing it clearly. Azabun alim. Madul arid lisukun, where you can stretch this ya madya for 2, 4 or 6 haraka, inshallah. قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم. قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون. Okay, same thing. قالوا, قاف for two count, lam is also for two count here. Why? Because there is no hamza in a second word, right? Just two haraka. قالوا طائركم. This ta has a standing fatha, which is considered as madul asli, right? And when madul asli is followed by hamza in a same word, then this mad is due to hamza and it is called as mad al wajib muttasil. Fine. There are three different mads which is due to hamza. One is mad al sila kubra, that is bit different, just like mad al jaiz munfasil. You just have to remember these two mads. One is this which comes in the number 18, qalu inna, where hamza is in a separate word. Can you see that this mad is always at the end of a word, where the hamza is in the next word, but here the hamza is in the same word, it is a part of a word. So this is mad al wajib muttasil, and so you have to stretch this for 4 to 5 haraka. Okay, do you want me to repeat again? Yeah, due to hamza there are two mads, right? There are three actually. One is mad al wajib, mad al silas kubra, but that inshallah is just like mad al jaiz mufassal, so you don't have to worry about it. The two main mad which you have to learn in mad due to hamza is mad al jaiz mufassal, mad al wajib muttasil. Mufasil means separated, where huruf al mad is separate from hamza. Hamza is in a separate word, but here the huruf al mad, that is alif saghira, is with a hamza in the same word, not a separate word. So this is compulsory mad. This mad is called as wajib muttasil, compulsory to stretch for 4 haraka. But this is jaiz munfasil. You can either stretch it for 2 haraka or 4 haraka. Okay, now it is compulsory now that you stretch this ta for 4 haraka inshallah. قالوا طائركم طائركم. Okay, ra must be heavy as it has dhamma on it. Kum, this meme sakin will merge with this meme and you'll have to do idgham with 2 count ghunna, idgham shafawi. طائركم معكم. Ma'akum, very easy. Ain must be clear and meme sakin is pronounced with izhar. Even if you want to stop or want to continue, you just have to stop, recite it with izhar, no gunna, inshallah. Ma'akum. If you want to stop, it is good. Jayaz, the letter Jim, a sign is called as waqf al jayaz. Either you can stop or you can continue. You have a permission because it is a permissible stop. And remember, these signs are different in different mushaf. Okay, if you're using Usmani mushaf, you may find ta here, and if you are reading Madidi mushaf, you may find jim, or vice versa. There will be big difference in the signs of stopping and pausing in the Quran. So don't worry about it. You already know which are the signs, what these signs indicate. You just have to inshallah recite accordingly. Okay, now here there is Jim, because 2 days ago sister had sent me an image of Usmani Musaf where there was no waqf al-lazim. So it depends upon the Musaf. It is up to you to recite according to the Musaf you are reciting, inshallah. Fine. قالوا طائركم معكم. If you want to stop, then stop here, take a new breath and continue the next part of an ayah. Okay. إن ذكرتم. In dhukirtum, there are 2 hamzas here. Pronounce both the hamza correctly. And nun sakin is followed by dal, so you have to do ikhfa, that is gunna for 2 count, with hiding it, not showing it clearly. In dhukirtum, the with no buzzing sound. It is not zukir. Zukir is wrong. Dhukir. Okay. In dhukirtum, ra sakin is light. Even here when you stop, then you have to stop it with izhar. Okay, when you stop here, stop it with izhar. But if you want to connect, then you will apply the ruling of ikhfa ash-shafawi, where you will do 2 haraka gunna, like in بل أنتم. Okay, if you want to connect, then you have to do 2 haraka gunna, but if you want to stop, you have to just not do any gunna at all. Okay, إن ذكرتم بل أنتم أنتم 2 haraka gunna, that is ikhfa must be done. أنتم, and no gunna on meme because next letter is a qaf. إظهار الشفوي. قوم مسرفون. قوم, it is not a قوم, it is a قوم. قوم, tanween is followed by meme. إدغام مع الغنة, 2 count غنة إن شاء الله. قوم مسرفون. را kasra is light, and here you can stretch it for 2, 4 or 6 haraka إن شاء الله. قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون. وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين. Okay, وجاء, even here it is madal wajib muttasil because hamza is attached to the huruf al-mad is attached to hamza in the same word. Okay, wajib means mandatory, muttasil means attached, so you have to stretch it mandatorily for 4 haraka. وجاء min, no gunna, izhar. أقصى see, it is qalqala, it is not aqsa, this is wrong. أقصى. Okay, and sod must be heavy. This alif madya will be cancelled because next word is beginning with hamzatul wasl. Sod is directly connected to lam. Aqsal madinati. Madinati, very easy. Madinati, this the, if you want to stop, will convert to ha. I hope you all know about this ta marbuta. If you want to stop, here it is Aqsal Madinah. So we usually say Madina, right? But when actually it is Madinati or Madinatun. But when adding this Hamzatul Wasl and Lam al Qamariya, we won't add tanween. Therefore, here it is Aqsal Madinati or Rajulun. Or Ra must be heavy. Rajulun, tanween is followed by ya, 2 haraka gunna. Rajulun yas'a. Ain is clear, it should not sound yas'a. Is wrong. Yas'a. Okay, and 2 haraka inshallah. Yas'a. Qala ya qawmi. Qala, it is not khala. Khala is wrong. Qala ya qawmi. Ya, 2 count. Qawmi, not qawmi. Qawmi. Aw, it should sound like aw. Ya qawmi ittabi'u. Meme is connected to ta. This hamzatul wasl is not read. Ya qawmi ittabi'u. Here waw has no sakin because actually we are cancelling this waw maddiya. This alif is not read and this hamzatul wasl is also not read. Ain is directly connected to lam. Ya qawmi ittabi'ul mursaleen. Okay, ain is connected to lam. Mursaleen, ra sakin must be heavy and this ya can be stretched for 2, 4 or 6 haraka inshallah. وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين. اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون. Okay, here the word is beginning with Hamzatul Wasl and you'll obviously have to add haraka on it. And we cannot add fatha or dhamma to this hamzatul wasl. You cannot say attabi'u or uttabi'u. It is wrong. You should always add kasra when the third letter has fatha. So third letter here is this ta itself because it has tajdeed on it. I hope you all know this ruling very well. We had studied this in basic tajweed course while learning the ruling of hamzatul wasl. Okay, it should be always ittabi'u, not attabi'u or uttabi'u. Ittabi'u. Ain must be clear, stretch it for 2 haraka. Malla. Again the ruling of Noon Sakin where idgham bila gunna is done. One example was here in ayah number 18 where Noon is completely not read. Same thing here. Noon is completely discarded when you recite, when Noon Sakin comes. When Noon Sakin is followed by Lam, you should not read this Noon. Keep this in your mind because many sisters are reciting it like man la, man. Man is not read. Directly mal. Okay, Noon is not read, inshallah. Malla yas'alukum. Yas'alukum, very easy. Yas'alukum, no gunna on mim. أجرا, جيم with قلقلة. أجرا, tanween is followed by wow, do غنة for 2 count. أجرا وهم, mim sakin is followed by mim, غنة for 2 haraka. وهم muhtadun. This ha, especially when has sakin, we will end up making qalqala like muh. This is wrong. Muhtadun, not muhtadun. Muh is wrong. Muhtadun. Okay. اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's recite these ayahs for many times. I'm going to unmute your mics. Okay, let's begin inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم. قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم. لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم. لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم. لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم. وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم. وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم. وليمسنكم قالوا طائركم معكم. قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون
بل أنتم مسرفون
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم
إن ذكرتم
بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل
قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم. قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
Alhamdulillah, barakallah fikum, excellent, all have recited it very well, mashallah. If you have any doubts in these, you can ask me. Any doubts? Yeah, sister.
In the 21st ayah, in the word ajran, is the ra heavy or light?
It is heavy, fathatan, it must be heavy. Ajran wahum. Ra, okay? Ajran wahum.
Ajran wahum.
Yeah, mashallah, excellent. Barakallahu feekum. Wa iyaki khair. Any other doubts?
Sister, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Yeah.
In the first line, that tayyarna, I didn't understand that tayyarna properly. Could you please?
Maybe you're from Ahkam al-Tajweed course? Are you from
Yeah,
Ahkam?
yeah.
Yeah, there we had discussed
From
about
the basics. Okay.
basic, not Ahkam.
No.
Okay, fine. There is a ruling called Nabar, which is taught specially in intermediate classes, where it is that when Ya Mushaddad has Fatha before it, there is a chances that we convert that into Ya Leen, right? Like the Toy, the Toy, I kind of sound will. It is like a mistake which we usually do. Okay, so we have to avoid it. To avoid it, we have to do Nabar. Nabar means rising the accent. As soon as you come at this point while reciting Ya with Tajdeed, and if it has Fatha before it, you'll have to rise your accent a little and say the Toy, the Toy. Just rise it a little. The pitch must be raised so that you don't end up making like the Toy, not to make it soft, because softness is actually lean, right? लीन का मतलब नरमी होता है. So you should not make very soft. To make it bit harder as it has tajdeed, you have to do nabar. Nabar means rising the accent. تطير, تطير. Or else you'll just say تطير, طير. The tajdeed, the strength of tajdeed is just gone when you say تطي, right? So you have to do nabar there. تطيرنا, تطيرنا.
Nabar means just making your accent heavy,
Heavier,
right?
yeah, not heavier. You have to make it higher. Okay,
Okay.
accent, rising your accent, inshallah.
تطيرنا.
Yeah, very good. تطيرنا. And Rosakin must be heavy. تطيرنا.
تطيرنا.
MashaAllah, it is perfect now.
Thank you, sister.
جي وإياكي خير. Any other doubts?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yeah, sister.
Yeah. Can we stop in 19 ayah? Can we stop at Madinati Rajulum Yas'a?
Yeah, you can.
Can we stop here?
Yeah, you can stop here, but continue from the two words because there is no stopping signs, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
जी
Jazakallah khair.
وإياكي خير. Alhamdulillah. Any other doubts?
Assalamualaikum, Ustadha. Ayah number 19 is ذكرتم بل أنتم. So when you continue, the meme followed by
با
so that
إخفاء.
is
إخفاء الشفوي تو حركة غنة. But if you stop, then no غنة.
But then the meme you say lightly and say the ba more.
Yeah, ba more. Yeah, it is like while reciting Ikhfa Shafawi, the lips should not be tightly closed. It must be closed bit lightly, like Zukir Tumbal. Tumbal. Okay?
That's all. Zukirtum bal.
Okay, Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
وإياك خير. So inshallah let's end the meeting. Only 30 seconds are left. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله.